Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, easy rolled biscuits from scratch. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 6 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter, cut into small pieces, and 3/4 cup of cold milk ready. These basic items are the foundation for perfect, fluffy biscuits. Now, let's combine our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, add the 6 tablespoons of cold, cubed butter to this mixture. Use a pastry blender or your clean fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs, with some pea-sized pieces of butter remaining. This step is crucial for flaky biscuits. It's time to bring our dough together. Gradually pour the 3/4 cup of cold milk into your flour and butter mixture. Stir gently with a fork until a shaggy dough begins to form. Be careful not to overmix. Then, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it gently, about 8 to 10 times, just until it comes together. Over-kneading can make your biscuits tough, so keep it light. For the final steps, roll your dough to about 1/2 inch thickness. Using a 2-inch biscuit cutter, cut out approximately 8 to 10 biscuits. Place them about 1 inch apart on an ungreased baking sheet. Finally, bake your beautiful biscuits in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown. Enjoy your warm, homemade, easy rolled biscuits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.